Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix HyperX Cloud 3 firmware not updating in 2026. Now to begin with, HyperX Cloud 3 wireless may fail to update due to USB connection issues, driver conflicts or software errors. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to plug the USB wireless dongle into your PC. Then simply connect your headset using a USB-C cable. Both must be connected at the same time for the firmware update to work. Now you need to make sure that you plug directly into the PC's USB port and avoid the USB hubs or extensions as they can interrupt the update process. Now after doing this, you need to close the Hypergenuity software. Then click on the option of your Microsoft Store and search for Hypergenuity software. Then simply click on the option of open. Basically, you just have to close and reopen it, or you can also run it as administrator. This step also prevents the permission related issues. After doing this, simply right click on the start button, then click on the option of device manager. Inside device manager, you just have to look for the option of sound, video and game controllers. When you select this particular option among the given lists over here, simply right click on your headset or dongle, then select the option of uninstall device. After that, disconnect and reconnect them to reinstall the drivers automatically. Now, even after doing all of these steps, the issue still continues in your case. You can also uninstall Nginity and then you can reinstall it from Microsoft Store. This also fixes the corrupted software files. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.